Hello guys, today I'm going to show you something super cool. We are building a portfolio website that looks and works like an actual terminal. You know, like those black screens with green text that hackers use in movies. Except this one's going to showcase your projects and skills. And here's the crazy part, we are not writing a single line of code. We are using this AI tool called Lovable AI that builds websites from plain English descriptions. Let me show you the end result so you know what we are working towards. Look at this. You can actually type commands like a real terminal. Type help and it shows you options. Type about and it tells your story. It's way cooler than those boring portfolio templates that everyone uses. Alright, so first thing, go to lovable.dev and create an account. Once you're in, you'll see this big text box. That's where we tell the AI what to build. Quick thing about credits, you get 5 free ones every day, and this whole project uses maybe 2 or 3. So we are good to go without paying anything. Now, the trick with AI builders is being specific about what you want. Think of it like giving directions to someone who's really good at building websites but has never seen yours before. You need to tell them what should it look like, how should it work, what content goes where, and make sure it works on phones too. By the way, if you want to get really good at talking to AI tools, we have this free course on prompt engineering. Link is in the description. But for now, I'll give you the exact words to use. Instead of building this piece by piece, I'm going to give one complete prompt that creates the whole thing at once. I have already prepared this prompt, so let me just copy it from my notes and paste it in. Now, before I hit enter, let me quickly show you what this prompt includes. We are asking for that classic terminal look, black background, green text, and fonts. We are also specifying all the commands that we want: help, about, projects, skills, contact, and here. And see this part where it says John Doe. Make sure you change it. Same thing with the full stack developer. Put whatever your actual title is. The prompt also makes sure everything works on mobile, which is super important these days. Alright, everything looks good. Let me hit enter and see what Lovable creates for us. Look at that. It's actually building the whole thing right now. And boom, check this out. We have got our terminal window, the art with the name, and the loop. There's that blinking cursor that looks like a real terminal. Let me test this out. I'll type help. Nice. It's showing all the commands. Let me try about. Perfect. It's working exactly like we wanted. Now, this looks pretty good already, but I can see a couple of things that need tweaking to match that authentic terminal look. First, the John Doe art should be that classic terminal green color instead of white, and it should be solid block letters, not these outline ones. Let me fix the header first. I'm telling Lovable to change the color of John Doe to bright green and to make it solid filled block letters. Perfect. Now we have that authentic terminal in green with solid block letters, much more like a real terminal. Now the second issue, see how the command input is way down at the bottom. I want it right below the last message. Let me fix this. There we go. Now the command input is right below the welcome message, much more realistic and compact. But wait, I noticed one more thing. The cursor should be green too, not that standard black line. Let me fix this real quick. I'm telling Lovable to make the blinking cursor in the command input bright green color. Let me hit enter. Now we have that authentic green blinking terminal cursor. That's the finishing touch that makes it look more like a real command line interface. Let me just test if everything still works or not. And all the commands are still functioning and we're done. So there you have it. We just built a fully functional terminal portfolio in about 5 minutes. No coding, no wrestling with CSS, just plain English to an AI. The cool thing is, this is real code that you can customize later if you want to, add more features or change colors. Thanks for watching.